Article 13. The following are mitigating circumstances. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attendant. Number 2, that the offender is under 18 years of age or 70 years in the case of the minor. He or she shall be proceeded against the accordance with the provision of Article 80. Number 3, that the offender had no intention to commit to grave a wrong as that committed. Number 4, that sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. Number 5, that the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony, his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. Number 6, that of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as natural to have produced passion or obsession. Number 7, that the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agents, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. Number 8, that the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect which thus restricts his means of actions, defense, or communications with his fellow beings. Number 9, such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without, however, depriving him the consciousness of his acts. Number 10, and finally, any other circumstances of similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned.